want y'all to see that sometimes when wearing the nylon cap, let me show y'all what that is if y'all don't know. When you already have an issue and you're wearing this, it can be a problem. So what we're going to do today is not wear the cap. We're not going to use the nylon cap. And give it a couple of weeks, and then we're going to come back and we're going to see what this really looks like after. So you see, we did it with another client, and after 2 weeks her hair started growing back. So ladies, this nylon cap sometimes may not be good for you if you already have an issue. So yeah. We need this to protect her hair. It's gonna protect her hair. The little fuzz that she has here, ew, this is gonna protect it. So this right here, y'all, boho baby. You can use this and the glue. This means we protect your hair if y'all don't know. So don't think because that is on her peach fuzz that it's gonna take her hair out. It doesn't. The glue now will. So that's why I put the tape on first, because the tape actually just glides off your hair. So that's why I'm putting the glue, the tape before the glue, because we ain't using no cap. Got it? We did protect the hair that she has right here with Got To Be Glue Gel and the spray. Okay? So, by all means, it is not going to do anything to the hair that she already has there. Plus, the tape gonna hold extra tight because of the Got To Be. That's a little hint for y'all. As you can see, I am laying that boho lace tape right at the very beginning of her hairline. And then we're going to apply that boho lace tape glue right on top of the tape. Yes, don't worry, ladies. It's well protected. Trust me. Trust me. And now we're going to lay this wig down. We're going to secure it, adhere it. Yes, honey. Lay, lay, lay. That flamboyant got the touches, baby. Had to let her lean her head to the side a little bit, just so we could lay that hairline. Let's get into that slayage. Yes, honey. Doesn't she look pretty? And that hairline is laid to the guard.